9 Eco-friendly home cleaning tips for adopting today. If you are looking for eco-friendly home cleaning tips, you have landed on the right channel. Nowadays, an increasing number of homeowners are switching to green cleaning products, as they want to keep their environment safe. But, if you have no idea how to go about eco-friendly home cleaning, we can help. If you follow the tips in this video, it will be easier for you to start. So, let's talk about 9 eco-friendly home cleaning tips without further ado. Number 1. Vinegar. Since vinegar contains acetic acid, it can be effective when disinfecting. Besides cleaning, vinegar can help eliminate strong odors from onion and seafood. The good thing is that vinegar is inexpensive and quite effective when cleaning your home in an eco-friendly way. Number 2. Baking soda. Since the oven is on the list of home appliances you use daily, it can get dirty over time. Apart from vinegar, you can also use baking soda to clean your oven. All you need to do is apply a coat of baking soda to the unit and let it sit overnight. You can remove the residue the following day, and your oven will start shining again. Number 3. Vinegar, water and olive oil. You can clean your wooden countertops using a combination of vinegar, olive oil and water. The idea is to clean your countertop without damaging its surface. So, make sure you consider the type of food that your countertop is made from. We suggest you consider the kind of food and finish before deciding on the amount of each ingredient. Number 4. Lemons. The good thing is that lemon is a multi-purpose formula. You can use it in your food and cleaning products simultaneously. The good thing about lemons is that they contain antibacterial properties. Therefore, you can use it to clean various items in your house. For example, you can rub lemons on your countertop and appliances as a disinfectant before cooking. Apart from this, you can use baking soda and lemon combo to eliminate stains from your kitchen appliances and restore the shine. Number 5. DIY softener. Adding baking soda to your washing machine can soften your clothes for the best results. For example, if you want to clean your kids' sportswear, you can add baking soda to your washing machine. In addition, baking soda will work great when it comes to deodorizing your kids' sportswear. Number 6. White vinegar and carbonated water. With time, tile grout accumulates grime and mold, primarily if your tile is located in your bathroom. We know that bathrooms are full of moisture, which is why you will have to deal with the problem of mold over time. If you want to clean the grout, you can use an equal amount of white vinegar and carbonated water. You must spray this mixture on the grout lines and use a household brush to scrub and clean. Number 7. Baking soda for blocked drains. You can use an equal amount of white vinegar and baking soda to unclog your drain. All you need to do is drop the mixture in the drain and cover it up. After a while, you can run the water and unclog your drain. So, you don't need to use expensive products for this purpose. Number 8. Lemon juice and water. You can clean your glass surfaces and mirrors without using chemical products from the market.